हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग बिस्ट। चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। साथ ही में बेल यानी नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे एंड मुझे भी इनकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एलिमेंट्री फर्स्ट एड, मेडिकल केयर एंड रिफ्रेशर मेडिकल केयर, डीजी शिपिंग एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन, कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेट नंबर 7। So question 1 is, how can you reduce the risk of disease transmission when caring for open wounds? Answer is D, all of the above. So इसमें आता है wash your hands immediately after giving care, then use protective barriers such as gloves or plastic wrap, and avoid direct contact with blood. Question number 2, which of the following should be done with the person experiencing heat related illness? So answer है A, apply cool wet clothes. Question number 3, you are alone with an unresponsive child or infant who is not breathing. So in this situation what you can do is call for medical help after you have done 2 minutes of CPR. Question number 4, if breathing absent and pulse is there, how many breaths to give first? So answer is A, 1 breath every 6 seconds, that is 10 breaths per minute. Question number 5, a first degree burn, answer is A, involves only the top layer of skin. Question number 6, where is the carotid artery located? So answer is C, on the neck to the right or left of the windpipe. Question number 7, in the general splint should be? Answer is C, snug but not so tight that it slows circulation. Question number 8, a victim has lost lot of blood through deep cut in his hand. He is breathing fast and seems pale and restless. He is probably, answer is in B, shock. It's in shock. Question number 9, to care victim with chest wound you would? Answer is A, cover the wound completely with sterile gauze pad. It's gauze pad. Question number 10, after an extremity fracture has been immobilized, the responder to check for circulation. Answer is C, distal to the injury. Question number 11, burns larger than 1% of the body area need to be checked at hospital. What is the equivalent size of 1%? Answer is A, palm including fingers. Question number 12, if the stroke is suspected, you need to do FAST test. It is fast test. What it stands for? Answer is D, face, arm, speech and time. Question number 13, what is the correct sequence for primary survey? Answer is C, damage, response, airway, breathing. Question number 14, loss of body heat is called? Answer is C, hypothermia. Question number 15, when the heat stops, brain death will occur in? Answer is C, 10 minutes. Question number 16, what vaccine is available for infectious disease? Answer is A, hepatitis. Question number 17, heat stroke causes? Answer is C, shallow breathing. Question number 18, you may suspect that crew has been poisoned if they? Answer is D, have all of the above symptoms. So first is, they are experiencing nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. They have chest pain, abdominal pain and breathing difficulties, and they have burns around the lips or tongue and the skin. Question number C, CAB stands for? It's circulation, airway, breathing. Actually it is ABC. Question number 20, in which situation you may wrap a casualty in wet, cold sheet? Answer is D, heat stroke. Question number 21, what is the normal number of breaths per minute for an adult? Answer is D, 12:20. Question number 22, during nosebleed in what position head should be? Answer is D, head forward. Question number 23, what is not sign of shock? Answer is D, wide eyes and open mouth. Question number 24, the acronym sample stands for sign and symptoms, allergies, medications, past history, events, and answer is B, last oral intake and events. Question number 25, injury can cause internal bleeding? Answer is true. Question number 26. Put the burn hand of victim in cool water if answer is C. The burns are minor and no open blister. Question number 27. What should be the first concern in the situation where person has been seriously burned? Answer is A. Checking situation for safety. Question number 28. Which is the first concern when caring for bleeding wounds? Answer is A. Apply direct pressure with a clean or sterile dressing. Question number 29. Dressing and bandages are used to. Answer is C. Help control bleeding and prevent infection. Question number 30. When caring for victim with bloody nose, you would not. Answer is C. Have the victim sit with head tilted slightly बैकवर्ड. यहाँ पे मैंने रॉन्ग आंसर हाईलाइट किया हुआ है. सो अगर ब्लडी नोज है तो मेक श्योर दैट विक्टिम इज सीटेड विथ हेड टिल्टेड स्लाइटली फॉरवर्ड. बैकवर्ड नहीं होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है डी. इट्स नॉट सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. When can you move a victim? Answer is B. When the victim is in danger. I again repeat question number 30. Correct answer is D. Question number 32. You have tried to control victim bleeding with direct pressure and elevation, but the bleeding doesn't stop. Where would you apply direct pressure to slow the bleeding or blood flow to a wound on the forearm? So answer is C. Inside the arm between the shoulder and elbow. Question number 33. You feel the sharp pain in the bottom of your foot. You look at the bottom of your shoe and see a tag sticking in your shoe. What would you do? What wound do you probably have? So correct answer is D. Puncture. Question number 34. Anaphylaxis means it's severe allergic reaction. Question number 35. What would you do if victim had a body part torn or cut off? Answer is D. All of the above. तो क्या क्या करना है? Wrap severed body part in a sterile gauze. Place the plastic bag. C. Put the plastic bag on ice and take it to the hospital with victim. Question number 36. Which is not symptom of heart attack? Answer is B. Red hot dry skin. Question number 37. What would you do when caring for a seizure victim? Answer is A. Remove nearby objects that may cause injury. Question number 38. In a situation where victim has suffered an electric shock, the first thing to do is. Answer is D. Make sure the power is turned off. Question number 39. What does ABC means? Answer is A. Airway, breathing, circulation. Question number 40. Which structure is last in urine flow? Answer is urethra. Question number 41. What do you do for a crew who has a bleeding injury to the mouth and you are sure that there is no neck or head injury? Answer is D. Either A or C. So A is keep crew seated with the head tilted slightly forward, and C. Have the crew lie down on the side. Question number 42. What is normal body temperature? Answer is A. 36 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. Question number 43. After someone has fainted, what position should they be in to aid recovery? The answer is A. Lay down with raised leg. Question number 44. What should you not do before carrying out abdominal thrust on someone who is choking? So answer is C. Lean the person who is choking backward. Question number 45. Acronym used to assist the emergency responder accessing the crew level of responsiveness is A. VPU. Question number 46. A casualty has cut his finger. What do you not do? Answer is C. Apply direct pressure if necessary. Question number 47. Effective immobilization of tibia includes immobilization of the. Answer is D. Hip, femur, knee, tibia and ankle. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope आपको ये एग्ज़ामिनेशन के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा। एंड वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि बाकी लोगों को भी हेल्प मिल जाए। एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द एग्ज़ामिनेशन।